Welcome to our comprehensive overview of the CompTIA Data Plus certification, a credential that validates your data analysis and management skills. This certification ensures you have the knowledge to collect, analyze, and report data effectively, empowering organizations to make data-driven decisions. After watching this video, you will be able to summarize the CompTIA Data Plus certification process, including eligibility criteria, objectives, resources, and associated costs. The CompTIA Data Plus certification offers many advantages for your career. As data becomes the cornerstone of business decision-making, the need for skilled professionals who can analyze and interpret data has surged across industries. This certification sets you apart as a data-focused professional, enhancing your marketability and opening up opportunities in roles such as data analyst, business analyst, and reporting specialist. The certification's vendor-neutral nature ensures its applicability across industries and tools, making it a versatile credential for various data environments. There are no strict prerequisites for taking the CompTIA Data Plus exam. However, candidates with 18 to 24 months of experience in a data analyst role have an advantage. Additionally, a foundational knowledge of basic statistics, data visualization tools, and data governance concepts will assist you in passing. Signing up for the CompTIA Data Plus exam is easy and should only take a few minutes. Start by creating an account on the official CompTIA website, login.comptia.org. Purchase an exam voucher from CompTIA or an authorized reseller. Use the voucher to schedule your exam through Pearson VUE, CompTIA's official testing partner. Choose to take the exam in person at a testing center or online via remote proctoring. Know what to expect on exam day. The allotted time for the exam is 120 minutes, or 2 hours. It consists of 80 multiple-choice questions and performance-based questions. Performance-based questions may involve solving scenarios, analyzing data, or completing simulations. To succeed, you'll need to achieve a minimum score of 675 out of 900, or 75%. The CompTIA Data Plus exam covers a variety of topics, but they each fall within one of 5 domains. Data concepts and environments covers data structures, types, and databases, and comprises 15% of the exam. 25% will focus on data mining, collecting, and analyzing datasets to uncover insights. 23% of the exam is on data analysis, applying statistical methods and tools to interpret data. An additional 23% concentrates on presenting data effectively using visualizations and reporting. The remaining 14% of the exam covers data governance, quality, and controls to ensure data integrity, compliance, and security. To prepare for the CompTIA Data Plus exam, candidates can utilize a variety of resources. CompTIA provides an official study guide that aligns with the exam objectives. Mock exams and practice tests help simulate the real exam environment and evaluate readiness. Platforms like CompTIA CertMaster Learn offer interactive e-learning experiences. Live instructor-led training sessions, either in person or virtual, provide expert guidance and insights. Engaging with the CompTIA community and forums allows candidates to share tips, resources, and experiences. This comprehensive overview provides a roadmap for candidates to understand the scope of the CompTIA Data Plus certification, its value, and the steps to successfully achieving it. In this video, you learned the exam format, duration, passing score, and content. You also learned the process for signing up, as well as some resources to help you prepare.